Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Ingenico model and firmware so you know which menu layout appears. This matters because options vary. Once done, make sure you have the SSID and WPA2 password, plus static IP or DHCP preference. Now power the terminal, navigate to Settings, choose Communications, then Network. Press Enter to open the Wi-Fi interface and select Scan to find networks. This gets you into the device's network flow quickly, so you can select your SSID and move forward. After you select the SSID, pick the correct security type, WPA2 almost always, or Open if your network allows it. This determines whether you'll be prompted for a key. When prompted, type the password and double-check capitalization and special characters because terminals are strict. Next, choose DHCP for automatic addressing or manual to input static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. Once configured, save settings and tell the terminal to connect. You should see a connection icon and an IP address listed. Finish by verifying the assigned IP and signal strength in the network status. Then run a test transaction or ping to confirm connectivity. If it fails, check the password and security type first, then confirm the router isn't blocking the terminal by MAC filtering. Also verify DHCP scope and gateway reachability. If problems persist, reboot the terminal and router, reapply saved settings, and consider updating firmware. This resolves many compatibility bugs. One key tip: try a known.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.